Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Have you ever been confused by the words sensible and sensitive? They look and sound quite similar, but they do have very different meanings. In this video, I'll explain the difference between these two words and how you can use them correctly. Now, sensible and sensitive are both adjectives, but they describe different qualities of a person or a thing. For example, the word sensible means having or showing a good sense of judgment. A sensible person is someone who makes reasonable decisions based on logic and facts, not emotions or impulses. For example, I can say that she was a sensible girl and she did not accept the invitation to go on tour with a thrash metal band. Or, it's sensible to wear a coat when it's cold outside. Yeah, that's clever, that's logical, that's sensible. Another example, Pedro gave some sensible advice about how to save money. Now, the word sensitive has two main meanings. The first meaning is being easily hurt or offended by what other people say or do. A sensitive person is someone who has very strong feelings and emotions and who cares a lot about what others think of them. For example, he's quite sensitive about his weight. Or, she's a very sensitive person, so be careful what you say to her. The opposite of sensitive, do you know? Insensitive, the prefix in. He was deeply hurt by her insensitive remark. Now, the second meaning of sensitive is being able to sense or respond to slight changes or differences in something. So, stimuli such as light, for example, or sound, or temperature, or touch. This microphone is quite sensitive. If I touch it, you hear the noise. It's a sensitive microphone. I have sensitive skin. I only use very natural products on my skin. My skin is very sensitive. Or, my neighbour is sensitive to gluten, so he avoids eating bread. Pronunciation, sensitive, sensitive. Say it with me, sensitive. Don't be so sensitive. Everybody's sensitive these days. And sensible. Say it with me, sensible. Learning English is a very sensible use of your time. If this video was useful, please be sensible and subscribe down below and leave a comment of your own examples of using sensible and sensitive in example sentences. My name's Craig, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.